My dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in Berkeley. We create a live organic almond butter, and we've been doing so for quite some time. It's made from almonds grown by a California farming family of 5 generations on the land. Intentionality matters. I'm sure you'll agree. And today, we're going to be creating a green drink out of the depths of winter. We're going to make ourselves more vivacious, more streaming, and more lively. I've been in the live food movement for over 40 years, and in my humble experience, nothing imparts more vivacity and more healing qualities than a green drink. It is one of the great discoveries of the live food movement. So let's begin. Let's begin with some carrots. Let's put it through the juicer a second time. Maybe add another flavor. Okay, so this will be our base. It's frothy. It's so vividly alive and sweet too. So here we go. Okay. And now let's toss in some oranges. let's give this a blend. Okay. All right, and how about for nutrition and for nutrients' sake, how about, and for originality, how about juicing a sweet potato or two? Okay. Some sweet potato juice, if you will. Okay. Now, let's add some garlic, some cloves of garlic. And how about some fresh turmeric? Here's a nice bit of turmeric. We'll add that. And then, but of course, some ginger. Bit of ginger. And we'll give that a blend. Okay. So now we have our base of alive organic carrot juice, orange juice, and sweet potato juice. All right. And now we have some lovely greens grown by Full Belly Farm right here in California, an hour and a half outside the Bay Area. And they are some of the finest organic farmers throughout in all of the United States. They're wonderful people. We've known them for decades. So here's a collard green. Collards are the closest relatives of kale, just filled with nutrition. With nutrition and vivacity. So we're going to add a collard green, and then we're going to add a carinata kale. This is a wonderful kale, rather esoteric. So we'll add a leaf of that. Notice that I've included the stems also. Okay. And how about some dinosaur kale? One can almost sense and feel the life force, the auras around these magnificent leaves. And that's the secret. The secret that the raw food movement here in this California has gleaned over decades, and that is the healing power of finely divided greens. Nothing is more vivacious. So here we go. We have our green drink out of the depths of winter. We've used 3 types of kale, and of course don't stop there, my dear friends, but be sure to add lettuce, especially romaine lettuce. Be sure to add cilantro, parsley, spinach, Swiss chard, but of course. So here we are, filled with nutrition and with life force. This is what we've got to do in times such as these. It's no secret that the doomsday clock of the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist is 90 seconds towards midnight, and in such circumstances, we've got to get our act together. It begins with each one of us. What is more under our control than the food that we eat? And with statistics, which I ponder over every single day. What does it mean when 42% of Americans in this country, that is 42%, nearly half of 350 million, are obese? Not overweight, but obese. And they say that in just 6 years, by 2030, half the population will be obese. So we drink a toast, my dear friends, to what we can be, to the certainty that come what may, we will build here a garden for the American spirit. Let us go forward, brothers and sisters. We appreciate your comments. You might want to hit the like button down below and consider subscribing. My privilege to share. Thank you.